Want to delete your Tracfone account? Here's what you need to know. Due to security enhancements post-2023, there's no simple delete button. Instead, you'll need to contact Tracfone support via phone, chat, or email. You'll need to provide your account details and confirm your intention to close the account. Expect immediate service suspension and full deactivation within 1 to 3 business days. You'll receive a confirmation email, and any remaining balance will be refunded. Keep in mind, Tracfone might hold the SIM card for up to 30 days. Note that this process closes your account and halts service, but doesn't immediately erase all your data. Tracfone commits to deleting your personal data, like your name, phone number, and billing information, within 30 days of account closure, as outlined in their privacy policy. However, anonymized data might be retained for analytics purposes. To ensure complete data removal, understand your rights under privacy laws like the California Consumer Privacy Act and the EU's General Data Protection Regulation. While deactivation halts your service, deletion fully removes your profile from Tracfone's databases. If you're concerned about data sharing, know that Tracfone now offers clearer opt-outs. Be aware that your phone number may be recycled after 90 days if it's not ported out.